Hey guys, my name is Jayla. I was just coming on here to do a little quick voiceover to let you guys know who I am, where I'm from, just the basics because this will be my first video. So basically I decided to do YouTube just because I wanted to make my house a home. I'm kind of stuck between, just living. I want to make this a home. I want to come in and be like, dang, this is my house. It's not perfect, but, it's mine and I love it. Y'all, I truly did not want to come on camera like at all because I hate the way I look right now. And I'm not trying to sound sad or anything. I'm a happy person. I love myself, but I just truly hate how I look right now. Planning a wedding, buying a house, I stress ate a whole lot. And I got like so big and I just never realized it because I was always doing something. I was always working. I was working towards my house in 2020. Eventually bought my house in 2021. My man proposed in 2021 on Christmas. Then I started, planning a wedding. So I was just stress eating from 2020 to now. And now I'm like, okay, this is getting out of hand. Sorry guys, my mom had called, but yeah, like I was saying, the weight just came out of nowhere and it just kept coming and I didn't know what to do. So I guess after this wedding, because I'm still stress eating because I am planning a wedding by myself, so after this wedding, I think I'm gonna go on this like health journey and weight loss journey and stuff. Because I do want to get back down to 200 pounds. I think 200 pounds is my best weight. I look the best. I felt the best. So yeah, I really did not want to come on camera, but here I am. I'm conquering fears this year, and this was one of blah blah blah. This was one of them. All right, back to the video. Y'all, I laughed so hard right here because, like, what? My baby is in, like, he has boxers and stuff now, and I'm like, he was just a baby. Now he's fully potty trained. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I don't even know if I told y'all about my son. I do have a 3-year-old, and his name is Jaden. He is something else, y'all. Like, oh my God, I knew I was going to be a mom one day, but Lord, when it came, it came. And he is just so smart and intelligent, and he now tells me what to do, and it's like, boy, I'm your mom. Y'all, I really hate folding clothes. Like, I would rather wash them and they just disappear than to wash them, fold them, and put them away. That just takes me out, baby. I cannot do that. I can't do that. Oh, Lord, no. I just can't. But, mama got to get the job done. Hey guys, like if y'all have any tips on stress eating or even stress in general, like gummies or, you know, supplements that can help with stress or anything like that, I would gladly appreciate it to drop it in the comments. Like, I need something to, get my mind off of all the stress that I'm going through right now with planning this wedding and just being a mom and a fiance and about to be wife. I would love it if y'all would drop some recommendations down in the comments, please. Okay. Y'all, here I am again, sweeping my living room. I had to do this while my son was sleeping because this is where he usually play at and make the most mess. Him and his daddy. This is their like go-to spot. Not the Christmas trees in the back, Lord, if I don't take those down. I really like to sweep everything into a big pile and then like pick through it and make sure there's nothing but trash in the pile left, because I'm not gonna pick up here and there. We're gonna sweep it all up and then we're gonna pick through it.